Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Fit Ambassador, and today we're going to talk about one of the most powerful superfoods you can add to your daily diet, flax seeds. We'll dive into their amazing health benefits and some easy ways to incorporate them into your everyday routine. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll want to add flax seeds to your shopping list. The daily use and benefits of flax seeds. Host. First, let's talk about what makes flax seeds so special. These tiny seeds are packed with nutrients that can have a big impact on your health. Close-up shots of flax seeds with highlighting nutrients. Flax seeds. Asterisk rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Flax seeds are an excellent source of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid that supports heart health by reducing inflammation and lowering blood pressure. Asterisk high in fiber. Both soluble and insoluble fiber in flax seeds aid in digestion, promote regular bowel movements, and help maintain a healthy weight. Asterisk lignans. These are plant compounds with antioxidant properties. Flax seeds contain up to 800 times more lignans than other plant foods, which may help reduce cancer risk and improve hormonal balance. Asterisk protein. Each tablespoon of flax seeds provides about 1.9 grams of protein, which is essential for muscle repair and overall body function. Asterisk vitamins and minerals. Flax seeds are also a good source of vitamin B1, thiamine, magnesium, phosphorus, and selenium, all of which are important for various bodily functions. Person in the kitchen holding flax seeds. Now that we know how nutrient-dense flax seeds are, let's talk about the specific health benefits you can enjoy by incorporating them into your daily diet. Health benefits of flax seeds. 1. Heart health. The omega-3 fatty acids in flax seeds can help reduce the risk of heart disease by lowering blood pressure, reducing inflammation, and improving cholesterol levels. 2. Digestive health. The high fiber content helps maintain regular bowel movements and can alleviate constipation. It also promotes a healthy gut by feeding beneficial gut bacteria. 3. Cancer prevention. The lignans in flax seeds have been shown to have anti-cancer properties, particularly in reducing the risk of breast cancer and prostate cancer. 4. Weight management. The combination of fiber and protein in flax seeds helps keep you feeling full longer, reducing overall calorie intake and aiding in weight loss. 5. Blood sugar control. Flax seeds can help stabilize blood sugar levels by slowing down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, making them a great addition for people with diabetes. Preparing various recipes. Now that we've covered the benefits, let's explore some simple and delicious ways to add flax seeds to your daily routine. Flax seed smoothie. Making a flax seed smoothie. 1. Ingredients. 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds, 1 banana, 1 cup of spinach, 1 cup of almond milk, and a handful of berries. 2. Instructions. Blend all the ingredients until smooth. Pour into a glass and enjoy a nutrient-packed breakfast that's quick and easy. Flax seed oatmeal. Making flax seed oatmeal. 1. Ingredients. 1 cup of oats, 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds, 1 cup of almond milk, 1 teaspoon of honey, and some fruit for topping. 2. Instructions. Cook the oats with almond milk as per package instructions. Stir in the ground flax seeds and honey. Top with your favorite fruits and enjoy a healthy, filling breakfast. Flax seed energy balls. Person making flax seed energy balls. 1. Ingredients. 1 cup of rolled oats, 1/2 cup of peanut butter, 1/4 cup of ground flax seeds, 1/4 cup of honey, and 1/4 cup of chocolate chips. 2. Instructions. Mix all the ingredients in a bowl until well combined. Roll into small balls and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. These energy balls are perfect for a quick snack on the go. Flax seed baking. PRS on adding flax seeds to baking mix. 1. Tip. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of ground flax seeds to your baking recipes like muffins, bread, or cookies for an added health boost. It's an easy way to sneak in some extra nutrients without changing the taste. PRS on in the kitchen, ready to try the recipes. These are just a few simple ways to incorporate flax seeds into your daily diet. Whether you mix them into your smoothies, sprinkle them on your oatmeal, or bake them into delicious treats, flax seeds are an easy and versatile addition to a healthy lifestyle. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more health tips and delicious recipes. Drop a comment below with your favorite ways to use flax seeds. Until next time, stay healthy and happy. Healthy choices, healthy life. Subscribe for more.